So you are installing your frozen dessert machine. Installation depends on the configuration of the machine that you have. You will need to look at the serial tag. The serial tag will tell you whether a machine is three-phase or single-phase and what the amperage is. High-volume double compressor machines will require two separate plugs. If the voltage on your machine is higher than 230, you will need a buck booster to decrease it. Electrical spikes are common. If you do not install a buck booster, you can cause severe electrical damage to your ice cream machine. You will need to see if your machine is air-cooled or water-cooled. Air-cooled is plug and play. Make sure you have a 6 to 8 inch gap between machine and wall for proper airflow in and out. Not allowing a proper wall gap will mean insufficient airflow for your compressor to cool properly. A water-cooled machine will need 3/4 inch hose with 34 to 140 pounds of water pressure. It will also require a drain line. Water will need to be on at all times. Now that you've installed your machine, please keep us in mind for all of your future machinery needs. Slice's Concession prides itself on the great relationships we have with our clients. We ensure great quality to great establishments. Stick with a winning company to help ensure your future ventures are a success. Make more money for your business. Let us show you how. Call us today, Slice's Concession.